You know, when there's a good Steam sale, you buy together games you actually never play. Well, I do that too. And today when I scrolled through my Steam library, I found this gem. Today, I'm going to play Skyrim and you can see what I think of it. Let's go.
Lokir of Rorikstead. No, I'm not a rebel! You can't do this!
Halt!
Oh, look at this guy.
Anyone else feel like running?
Wait. You...
Holy... Was there not a third person? Holy... Okay, hello. Chill out, my guys.
What are you doing?
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 What? I don't know how to use a bow. Wolves. Ralof. 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 Ralof! Let's swing.
Come on.
Oh! Uh-oh. Ralof, sorry. I'm very sorry, Ralof. But you're gonna get your ass. No, nothing awaits me. Chill, chill.
Sure have mercy on you.
Oh! Bro, it just woke up. Okay, I f***ed up. I f***ed up.
I'll paint the snow brown.
I fucked up bad. Yeah.
Brother, Mara's
That was not a good idea, I think.
What is it, woman? Sven drunk on the job again?
That's not a woman, that's a dog. This guy, I swear to God. I want to go into the big house, big house. Go to the big house. Big house. Is this an ogre? Oh, horse? I want a horse.
Man like you needs a war horse, I reckon. Suppose so. Got one all saddled if you've got the coin.
Yeah, I got to go in.
Then come back when you've got that much.
What? Are you?
Right
Did you
strong.
just call me broke? This guy. No, dude.
I really mean delve into a dangerous ruin in search of an ancient stone tablet that may or may not actually
I don't want to do that, little bro. Chill. Let's go down. Let's get down. Oh! Well, what's gonna happen here? Oh, f me! What the fuck was that? What the f? Nah, it's crazy. Yeah, you ain't got on me. The person is busy.
Why should I share the treasure with anyone?
Oh, come here. Bad Alex. What the f? Why do I start here? All the way back here. Oh, oh, it works like. Oh my god. What the f? What the f? Nice. Yeah, nice. I'm gonna. What the f did I press?
What do you mean by that?
Oh, finally, games are done. Let's go, my blue-looking avatar guy woman.
So,
What? Dragon? Oh, dragon! Run! Let me in! Oh. Eat that. Eat that. Oh, burning. Yeah. Fuck this dragon. No, that's epic. I'm burning at the same time.
Come on, I want a better look.
The lizard is really dead. Damn good shooting, boys.
Thank you, thank you. Good. What? What's happening? What is that? Whoa. Dead.
I can't believe it. You're Dragonborn. In the very oldest tales,
Dragonborn?
back from when there were still dragons in Skyrim,
What does
the
that mean?
Dragonborn would slay dragons and steal their power. That's what
Oh.
you did, isn't it? Absorb the dragon's power.
I think you might be right.
Ow.
What happened? What the f***?
Ow.
Oh. Shut the fuck up. What's happening, my guy? What are you doing? This guy is in the ground.
Can't hide from me.
Okay. Fine.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Oh, what the fuck are you? Yeah. Okay. Oh. No, I can't fuck it. Yes. Finally. This guy, I swear to God. What the fuck? Oh, fuck me, I guess. This guy too hitted me. Ah, f me. Ah, fuck me. Fuck me.
It's an exciting moment.
Coming?
This has happened.
Coming.
Huh? Time to end this little game.
Oh! Yeah, fuck. Hello.
So, a Dragonborn appears at this moment in the turning of the age.
Yep. Me, I guess. What is that? Not again, please. No. No, 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 no. Oh! Necromancer. Die. 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 Kill the Necromancer. Oh. Let's go, mate. Oh. Let's go. I'm not scared of you. I'm pretty scared. Run. 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 No good. Ah. You really killed them all. Nice. Lydia. Kill. Go kill Lydia. What? Why me? Yeah, come on, mate. Let's go. Yeah.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
Run here.
Nope.
Hey! I pressed the wrong button.
Nope.
Ah. Oh my gosh. What? Hey. Ah, not again. Heal up and ready to die, I guess. Get away. Get away. Burn. Burn. Oh my god. Nice, nice, nice. Now wait for this. Charge through. Kill! Let's go. Mysterious note. Dragonborn. I need to speak to you urgently. Rent the attic room at the Sleeping Giant Inn in Riverwood and I'll meet you. A friend. Take. Who are you?
You there. You're the one they call Dragonborn.
Yes.
Your lies fall on deaf ears, deceiver. The true Dragonborn comes. You are but his shadow. When Lord Mirak appears, all shall bear witness. None shall stand to oppose him. Oh yeah.
What the hell? Oh! What was that? Cultist orders. Cultist. Oh, I don't. Giants though, sorry, my bad. There now. Oh. Contract. Pierce the Zambia agreed on. I trust you, makes Yuri favorite. Sorry the builder. Okay. Why does everyone you want to kill me? Come on. Do I have any healing at all? No healing here. Do I have some food that can heal me? Yeah. Kill this one. Oh my god. I survived. Thank you, Lydia. What the hell is that dragon? What? What? What was that? What the what the is that my dragon? Oh, that's the dragon I killed, no? Yeah, that's the dragon I killed. Hello, dragon. What are you yapping about? Kill the dragon, Sahloknir. Let's go kill. That's not my dragon, I think. Yep, that's not my dragon, that's Sahloknir. Let's go. Yup. Finish him. Ride him. Do something. Oh. Yeah.
Well, here we are. This is Raven Rock. Can't say I'm all that glad to see it again. Good luck. Maybe you can figure out what's going on around here.
Okay. The adventure continues. The adventure of Kajir, the cat, the Dragonborn, the one and only, I don't know what I'm talking about. Well, it doesn't seem so good. Get away! Get away! Go! Charge away! Run! Run, 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 run! Oh! What the hell? Burn! Burn! Lydia, come on! Oh! Ash Hopper, what is that? Lydia, kill it. Ooh, I'm dripped out, I'm dripped out. Shit. Why are there slaves here?
Oslav, please, we must leave this place.
Oslav, who are you? Freya.
You there. What brings you to this place? Why are you here?
I am your father. That's a good way to torture people, I guess. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Okay. Okay, oh, wait, my guy. Burn! Yeah, I'm the one who's burning, I guess. Where is my sword? How did I switch it? Burn. Where did my weapons? My sword is gone. Come on. Oh! What? Oh! Die. Die. Just die. More! I need to heal. Run. Oh, I can't do this.
Is someone there?
Nice. Yeah, someone is here. What? What? Nah. Nah.
Oh, that's a lot of damage!
1 point of health. Run. Run. Just run. Just run. No! No! What? Close it. Oh my god.
Hello there.
What? Let's go, mate. What? She's healing! No. Where do I spawn? No. Please. No. Why? She can heal. Kill. Kill. No. No. Oh, no. Oh, this game is so stupid. Not worth exploring, I think. Freya? Freya? Freya. Freya, where are you? Where are you? Freya? Freya. Freya. Freya? Where is Freya? Can you? Okay.
It's time to stop! It's time to stop, okay? No more!
Yeah, I think I'm done with this game. Thank you for watching, and if you want me to continue this game, then let me know, because right now I think I'm not going to do that. But if you want me to continue it, leave it down in the comments. That was my first time playing Skyrim. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you, and see you all in the next video.